Hello and welcome, my friends. Today, this is not just another English lesson that you casually watch and forget. Today, you are about to understand something that can completely transform the way you speak English forever. Because most people believe their problem is vocabulary or grammar, but that is only the surface and not the truth. The real issue is much deeper than that. Your brain already understands English to a certain level, but your mouth is not trained to respond naturally and instantly, and that is exactly why you hesitate. That is why you pause in the middle of simple sentences. That is why even easy ideas feel difficult when you try to express them. So, the problem is not learning English, the problem is not training English, because learning fills your mind, but training changes your behavior. And fluency is not created by collecting knowledge. Fluency is created by building a fast connection between your brain and your mouth, so they work together without delay. And this is where shadowing becomes powerful, because shadowing is not just another technique, it is a system used by serious learners, interpreters, and confident speakers to build real speaking ability. And if you practice it correctly, you will stop translating in your mind. You will stop overthinking every sentence. You will begin to speak faster, smoother, and more naturally. Now, before you start practicing, you must clearly understand what shadowing really is, because if you misunderstand it, you can practice every day and still see no real improvement. Many learners think shadowing means listening, pausing, and then repeating slowly, but that is weak practice and it actually trains hesitation. Real shadowing is different. Real shadowing feels fast, slightly uncomfortable, and even challenging because you are not waiting for the speaker to finish. You are speaking at the same time. You follow the voice like a shadow follows a person without stopping or going back. You move with the sound, not after it. For example, if the sentence is, I think this is a great opportunity for you, a normal learner listens, pauses and repeats slowly, but a shadowing learner plays the audio and speaks along instantly. Even if they miss a word or two, they keep moving forward because flow matters more than perfection. And this changes how your brain works because in slow repetition, your brain listens, translates, thinks, and then speaks, which creates delay and pressure. But in shadowing, your brain hears and speaks immediately, which builds natural reaction and speed. Imagine you want to say, I was going to call you yesterday, but I got busy. If you try to build this using grammar rules, your brain will slow down and create pressure. But if you shadow this sentence again and again, your mouth remembers the pattern, and next time, you will say it automatically without thinking. Because you are not memorizing words, you are training patterns and reaction speed and confidence and flow. So, when you practice, do not stop if you miss a word. Do not go back again and again, and do not try to be perfect. Just stay with the audio, because real conversations never wait for you. Now, take a simple sentence like, I am trying to improve my English every day, and play it and speak along. Immediately repeat it again and again without stopping. And at first, it will feel uncomfortable, but that discomfort means your brain is learning something new. Because fluency is not about knowing English, it is about reacting in English instantly. Now, moving to the next important step, choosing the right audio, because even if your method is correct but your material is wrong, your progress will slow down. Many learners choose random videos, difficult movies, or fast conversations, and then they feel confused and tired and they stop practicing. But shadowing is not about practicing everything. It is about practicing the right thing in the right way. So your audio should not be too difficult and not too easy. You should understand around 70 to 80% because if you understand everything, there is no challenge. And if you understand nothing, there is no learning. For example, if you choose very fast speech, you will lose track and feel frustrated. But if you choose a clear and simple sentence like, I believe this is the best decision for our future, you can follow it easily and build confidence. Always start with short audio around 10 to 20 seconds because short audio allows deep repetition and deep repetition creates real improvement. Do not jump from one audio to another. Stay with one piece and repeat it many times until your mouth feels comfortable, because depth builds fluency, not variety. Now follow the three-layer shadowing system. First, deep listening, where you only listen and focus on sound, rhythm, and connection between words. Second, controlled shadowing, where you speak slowly with clarity and correct pronunciation. And third, full speed shadowing, where you match the speaker completely and keep moving even if you make mistakes, because this builds real life speaking ability. Repeat this cycle again and again, and you will feel your speed increasing and your confidence growing. Now, understand one more powerful truth: fluency comes from repetition, not from touching many sentences once, because your mouth needs training just like your body needs exercise. So take one sentence and repeat it 15 to 20 times until it becomes automatic. At first, it will feel slow and broken, but after repetition, it becomes smooth and natural. And this is automatic memory, where your mouth moves without thinking. And when you learn one pattern, you can create many sentences from it, like I am trying to improve. My English becomes I am trying to improve my skills, or my confidence, or my communication. So do not rush. Stay with one sentence until it becomes easy, because that is how fluency is built. Now, let's move deeper into natural speaking, because most learners speak word by word, which sounds slow and unnatural. But real speakers connect words and create flow. For example, I want to go to the market becomes I want to go to the market, and did you eat becomes did you eat, and going to becomes gonna. And this is called connected speech, which makes your speaking smooth and natural. And when you shadow, you automatically learn this without studying rules, because your mouth copies real sound. So instead of trying to sound perfect, focus on sounding natural, because fluency is not about perfect pronunciation, it is about smooth rhythm and connection. Now, another powerful step is recording yourself, because without feedback, you cannot improve properly. When you speak, you feel you are doing well, but when you record and listen, you hear the truth, you notice your mistakes, your pauses, your weak pronunciation, and your lack of confidence. And this awareness is powerful because it shows you exactly what to fix. So follow this cycle shadow record: listen, compare, and repeat. And each time you repeat, you improve a little, and these small improvements create big transformation over time. At first, you may feel uncomfortable listening to your voice, but that is normal, and every fluent speaker has gone through this stage. Now, train yourself to speak without stopping, because many learners stop in the middle when they cannot find a word, and this breaks their flow and confidence. From today, make a rule: never stop speaking, even if your English is not perfect, even if you make mistakes. Keep going and adjust your sentence, like I was going to tell you something important, but I cannot explain everything clearly right now. So I will try to say it in a simple way. This is fluency, because fluency is continuous speaking, not perfect speaking. After shadowing, always speak alone for 30 to 60 seconds on any topic, because shadowing trains your mouth, but speaking alone trains your thinking and confidence. And without this step, your learning remains incomplete. Now, understand the importance of real life sentences, because many learners focus on single words and grammar rules and try to build sentences during speaking, which slows them down. But real speaking uses ready sentences that are already stored in your brain, like I am busy right now, or I will call you later, or I think this is a good idea. And these sentences can be reused in many situations. So when you shadow, you store these patterns, and your brain uses them automatically during conversation. So focus on simple, useful sentences instead of complex vocabulary, because simple sentences create powerful fluency. Now, another important step is removing subtitles slowly, because many learners depend too much on reading and their listening remains weak. So, first watch with subtitles, then watch again without subtitles, and focus only on sound and meaning, not every word, because in real life there are no subtitles, and your ears must become strong When you shadow without subtitles, you build a strong connection between listening and speaking, and your understanding becomes more natural. Now, remember, understanding everything is not required. You only need to understand enough to continue. Finally, after every practice session, speak alone and expand your ideas. Take one sentence and build on it. Like, I think this is a good idea because it will help me improve my English and increase my confidence and keep going without stopping because this builds real speaking ability. Now, the final and most important part is patience and consistency because many learners quit too early. They practice for a few days and expect big results. But fluency is a gradual process. It happens step by step, day by day. And in the beginning, you will struggle. Your brain will feel slow, your tongue will feel heavy, and you will make mistakes. But this is part of the journey. And even when you feel no improvement, your brain is building connections, your mouth is learning movement, and your confidence is slowly growing. So do not focus on quick results. Focus on daily practice. Even 10 to 15 minutes every day is enough if you stay consistent. Because consistency is more powerful than motivation, and there will be days when you feel tired or lazy, but practice anyway because success is built on those days. And one day, you will notice something powerful. You are speaking faster, you are thinking less, and you are feeling more confident, and you will realize you are no longer afraid to speak English. Remember, English is not just a language, it is a tool that can change your life. It can open opportunities, connect you with the world, and give you confidence. And the best part is you can master it if you stay consistent and follow this system. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start today, even if it is just 10 minutes, because your future depends on what you do daily. You are not just learning English, you are building a new version of yourself, a confident, fearless, and powerful version. So keep practicing, keep improving, and never stop because your journey has already begun.